Hey, it's Mike Walpert. I'm sharing 10 surprising benefits that people get when they start talking about their business on video. And a huge one, number 4, is a sense of pride. And I sure know what that's like when you're overcoming those challenges, the early awkwardness of doing a video. Once you break over that, I have seen people realize that they are able to easily and eloquently describe the benefits of their business, right? They can tell their story. What they realize is that it feels pretty good. What they realize is that this is something that they're good at because it brings what they do to the world. That sense of pride and satisfaction, it's not ego. It's about realizing that you're in the right business, doing the right thing for the right kind of people. That's kind of surprising when you consider it's just from doing a video about your business. What kind of surprising things have you noticed? Surprising benefits have you received from talking about your business on video? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments, will you? And I will see you next time.